Brazil, a furry, slow, and adorable animal is endangered. If you guessed the three-toed sloth, then you are absolutely correct.
Three-toed sloths aren't only endangered in Brazil, but they're also endangered in Central America. This is why these animals need our help.
My name is Lucy Hughes, and our endangered animal is the three-toed sloth living in Brazil.
And my name is Olivia Gaiman, and this is the story of the three-toed sloth.
Even though three-toed sloths originated in Brazil and North America, they still live in Central America, Brazil, and Panama, but sadly do not live in North America anymore due to extinction in this area.
Now, I'm sure you're thinking, why are they endangered? Well, I can tell you that. So one reason is because of poaching, and another is because of habitat destruction, also called deforestation. Actually, deforestation is part of habitat destruction.
Yeah. Okay. Well, here's a map of Brazil. And here is gold mining in 2001. As you can see, it's there, but it's minimal. I might want to mention that gold mining is part of habitat deforestation. Now here's gold mining in 2008. As you can see, it didn't go. No. Okay. Well, as you can see, it grew. Now here's gold mining in 2015. Okay. It doubled in size. Now here's Amazon deforestation 2010. Another thing I might want to mention is that three-toed sloths live in the Amazon rainforest, so that's a lot of their habitat being cut down.
Okay, so as you can see, deforestation plays quite a big role in the three-toed sloth's life. So do illegal gold miners, jaguars, ranchers, and harpy eagles. Many of these people and animals, don't forget the animals, are stakeholders in the three-toed sloth's world. So, for example, like the jaguar and the harpy eagle's perspective is that they're valuable for food. Like, they're going to eat them because they need to survive too.
And the role that the sloth plays is the prey. The sloth only eats plants, so it is an herbivore. So if the sloths go extinct, there will be an overpopulation of sloths. So here's a picture.
Overpopulation of sloths.
Overpopulation of plants, excuse me. So here is a map of the three-toed sloth's main habitat. I'm so confused today.
As you can see, the sloth prefers to live in the Amazon forest with red mangrove trees.
Now we're going to talk about the main problems the three-toed sloth faces.
So one of the main problems, well, actually the main problem, is habitat destruction. And like I mentioned earlier, deforestation is part of habitat destruction. So people are cutting down the sloth's habitat for logging and to make more room for their livestock. So, yeah.
Okay. One of the solutions that we came up is to spread the word to stop this outrageous act. Another solution would be to donate money to trustful sites like WWF or the Sloth Conservation. The last idea or solution that we came up with is to adopt a sloth. That doesn't mean that you get to take the sloth home, which would be great, but instead you're sending money for people to take care of the sloth, make sure it's fed and protected.
They really should let you take them home, though.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
After all of that seriousness, do you want to hear a joke, Olivia?
I don't know.
Okay.
Fire away.
I'll tell you one anyway. Okay. So, what do you call a sloth that barely moves a muscle?
I don't know.
A sloth. Get it? Like a show off? Like a slow off. Doesn't really make sense, but okay. So.
Okay, so here's a chart of the slowest animals. Back to school work, people.
Yeah. Okay.
The slowest mammal is the three-toed sloth at 40%.
Second place is a starfish at 25%.
Garden snail, 20%.
And certainly not. Okay, I cannot talk today. Last but not least is a giant tortoise at 15%. So one amazing fact about three-toed sloths is that they only go to the bathroom once a week. Can you imagine that?
Another fact is that they're extremely clumsy on land, but they're great swimmers. Who knew?
Yeah. I can't think today. Sorry. Another fact is that three-toed sloths only sleep up to 10 hours a day, which is the same as an average house cat.
So basically, when your house cat's sleeping, a sloth is too.
Yeah. Maybe not sometimes a day.
So sloths are about to turn some heads after you know this. So sloths can rotate their heads almost 316 degrees, almost beating almost like so close. So they be out. So excited for them.
Yeah. And the last fact I'm going to share is that the sloth's average pace is about 0.15 miles per hour. That's not even a mile per hour. That's really slow. Okay, so
It's not even half a mile per hour. It's slow. So you might be wondering, we know they live in Brazil, but where exactly in Brazil?
So they live over in this area of South America, and Brazil is right about over here.
So they only live in the northern part of Brazil.
Yeah, I don't know my direction. So now here is three-toed sloth anatomy. As you can see, they have 3 strong curved claws on their hind and front feet.
They have thick brown fur, usually coated with green algae.
They have a short snout, big eyes,
tiny ears, and a short flat head.
Okay, and now for our slideshow.
Oops.
Well, you're about to see it anyway, so bit of a spoiler. Okay.
Ignore the cuteness.
For now.
I know that's really hard, but just do it.
Okay.
Okay, so how
could
someone
kill
a
animal
this
adorable? Okay.
So, if it'll load.
Yeah. So,
this brings us to the conclusion of our endangered species webcast about the three-toed sloth living in Brazil.
We hope that we have inspired you to save the three-toed sloth. And thank you for watching our webcast.
Thank you.
Bye.